Hello, this is the technical introduction of our project. Our project is Messenger Bookkeeping Chatbot. We are Group 14. Okay, first up, let's see the overview of the whole technical stacks. Besides input and output, we have three main parts. Input unification, to make the input in both formats of audio and text to be converted into text only. Next is the naive Bayesian classifier, to classify whether the text command is, and then to take or extract the records of bookkeeping. And then is the output. The first main part, input unification. Up to now, our projects only accept text and audio. It doesn't mean that we cannot achieve better, but other formats are achievable, but they are not needed. It is easy to think that when you are making a bookkeeping, when you are chatting or when you are speaking or texting to a chatbot, it is weird to make bookkeeping that you send about an image or you send about a video, so they are not needed. Only text and audio will do. And for this process, we need to detect the format of input. If it is text, then step into the next. If it's audio or video, we can extract the audio into text using speech recognition. Here, we apply the open source Baidu function about speech recognition. For Chinese language, Baidu speech recognition performs better than other open source functions such as Google or etc. Next is cascade naive Bayesian classifier. Here, we combine two binary classifiers, and then to make a tree classification. Okay, let's illustrate it. Input text, and then to binary class to charging or query, just to taking note of bookkeeping or extracting note of bookkeeping. For charging, we classify it also into two, income or spend. Next is natural language processing. Because the naive Bayesian classifier needs inputs about, usually it is a matrix, not a sentence, so we need natural language processing to convert text to word vectors. Here we apply Chatbot. It is a Chinese language NLP library. For the model training and testing, we have the following procedures. First, train the dataset into vectors. Then, use those vectors to train the naive Bayesian model. And when encountering a new sentence, it is a test set. First, convert the test sentences into vectors with the same dimension as mentioned above. And then, use this vector to apply this vector into the classifier, the model, to get the result, and with scoring mechanics to find out the best results. And then is the information reading or writing. Here we apply Mango database. Now we have done the classification, and if it is income or spend, then we extract the numbers in the sentence. If it is query, then we extract what time is it, what the time you want the query, and then to send to the database. If it is record taking, then to record it into the database. If it is query, then to extract data from the database to output. Thank you. This is our project.